beautiful people of this universe. Today's video is going to be on how to set healthy boundaries. Okay, so you keep hearing all the time being thrown around, you need boundaries. And the reason is because you're constantly teaching people how to treat you. And therefore, if you don't set boundaries, you're not going to teach people how to properly treat you. Boundaries are limitations that if people cross, there's going to be a consequence. Be it the friendship will end, or be it you'll leave, or be it you won't be happy, or something like that. Do you know what I mean? There will be, you always firm, I don't accept this, and if this happens, this is what I do. Just that's setting boundaries. And essentially, it's really easy to set boundaries, but what's harder is to actually act on them if someone breaks it. But it's even more important. Hear me out. If a parent always keeps saying, if you do this, there'll be consequences, but they never act on it, the child soon begins to realize that in reality, it doesn't really matter. It's just empty threats. So make sure that if you do have a boundary, you actually act on it. Or else it doesn't matter and you're essentially pointless. And setting healthy boundaries is making sure that you always prioritize yourself. And sometimes you're going to notice that that includes saying no. The word no is not diabolical when you're allowed to say the word no. It's okay. Say the word no. Saying yes is fun and you should, to explore, to have adventures. But there's only so much you can say yes to, and certain things you have to say no to protect your energy and prioritize yourself, because saying yes to everything might be draining, energy consuming, and just plain unhealthy. So just make sure that you always prioritize yourself, that you always make sure that you're putting yourself first. It's not selfish to love yourself. It's not selfish to prioritize yourself. What is selfish is to only think of yourself. Do you see the difference? But when you prioritize yourself, you're thinking of yourself, but of others as well. I never said you're not allowed to not think of others. I want you to love yourself so much that the cup overfills and you have more to give to others. But to try and give to someone something you don't have, in a way, is just silly, because you don't have it. So what are you giving them? You're giving them such low energies that you're actually taking from yourself. And in a way, if somebody does that to themselves, that's not loving yourself. Because if you give away all the energy you have because you don't actually allow yourself to create more energy by loving and prioritizing yourself and protecting your energy, you're giving everyone everything you have. No wonder you feel so depleted afterwards. Ways in which you can replenish your energy is alone time. And a lot of you may be like, I don't like being on my own, or I do that all the time. Okay, but if you do that all the time, are you doing it with a lot of distractions? Are you doing it without allowing yourself to truly be with yourself? And being with yourself, I mean, is not trying to hide or just make the bad feelings or good feelings disappear, but be with your feelings and thoughts and understand that you are not them, but you are the person that observes them. We are here having an experience, and you observing everything actually allows you to understand the broader picture. So instead of pushing them away, which creates more resistance and therefore makes it that you actually are less likely to get rid of it, but in reality just create it bigger because what you focus on grows. Instead, try and just let it go. But by doing so, you feel it. But have you noticed that when you feel joy and happy, you feel it, right? And then it goes away. It doesn't stay. But when you feel negative feelings, you keep thinking about it, you don't feel it. You don't allow it to be, therefore it just grows and grows and grows, and then at the end of the day you just have immense anxiety and you're feeling that you can never truly be happy, because when you're happy it's fleeting. But the reason it's fleeting is because you feel it, you don't obsess over it. And that's what we're meant to do with our feelings, we're meant to feel it. Also, you've got to take care of your body so you have the energy and the willpower to do this. Being vegan is the best way to always take care of yourself. I'm not telling you should go vegan, I'm just saying have a go, try it out, because you're gonna be surprised about how amazing you feel afterwards. I just want you to open your mind to try new things. Right, I am loving my hair, guys, today. I'm going to soon be coming out with a video on my Goldilocks. So keep tuned. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. I will see you beautiful people of this universe in my next video. And join this diamond community, because we thrive in pressure. And pressure makes us stronger. Exactly. So subscribe, like this video, comment and share, and I will see you soon. Bye.